Hello everyone, welcome back to Chung Social Tools channel. Today I'm going to show you how to extract the Twitter followers of any account that you want. So this is my software. You can see first we have the account management. This section will help you to add and manage multiple Twitter accounts, and you can add proxies. This is an automation Twitter software. You can use this account to do interaction like viral marketing, like post tweets, comment, retweet any tweet that you want, or send out messages. You can also auto-follow or auto-update the information of this account. Okay, now I will focus on the feature to extract followers of any account you want. Go to the Scan Data section. In this section, you can scan tweets by keyword, scan accounts by keyword, account information, and interactions. But now, we will scan followers. First, set the number of followers you want to scan. For example, I want to scan 1,000 to 10,000 people. Next, enter the username of the account you want to scan. I will take an example account, paste it here, and press Save. After that, choose one of your own Twitter accounts to scan. Then just click Start. The software will automatically open a browser and go to that target account to start scanning. Besides followers, you can also scan the list of following. Once the scanning is done, you can export the data to Excel, copy usernames or profile links, or even export. I will now export to Excel. Click Export, and you will see the file contains all the scanned data. That's how you use my software to scan and extract the followers of any Twitter account. If you need more info, contact me via Telegram at @2chungmkt or WhatsApp. Links are in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Chung Social Tools channel.